Hi everybody, Mark Graff again, and today we're going to talk about how to get the most out of your home network, just to introduce the ideas that we'll be exploring in this series. So what determines how much computing you can get done on your home network? I think it's three things. It's the overall capacity of your network. In other words, how big a chunk of the internet have you got? The second thing is what's happening on your network, who's using it. And yes, it is going to make a difference if you're trying to hold a video session and somebody else is watching a movie. Yeah, it does make a difference, I'll tell you that. But the third thing is how efficient is your use of the network? How well are you using what capacity there is? So we're going to break that down and talk about each of those three topics to give you an idea of how you can tune things to get the most out of any home network. I'll talk to you again soon, and let's all keep safe out there. See you soon.